Okay, fishing. We already talked about it in class. I'm going to review a little bit and then tell you something new. Review. Bycatch. Do you remember what it is?
Yes.
Yes. Can somebody explain it to me in simple English? What is bycatch? Yes.
When you catch species that you don't want to.
Very good. Perfect explanation. I could not have said it better. That's bycatch. What about overfishing? The other big problem. Yes.
Is when you catch a lot of species and you don't need
All of them?
all of them. Yes.
Very good. Fishing in a specific area more than you should. Overfishing, fishing too much. Problems. Problems with bycatch. Why is bycatch bad? Problems? Yes. Fish can become extinct. Okay. Also, a bigger problem with overfishing, I would say. More problems. Bycatch. Bycatch problems. Bycatch problems. Overfishing problems. Extinction of the species. You don't have enough time to allow the fish to reproduce. Yes?
Biodiversity.
Very good. What about biodiversity? Biodiversity. Yes. But what about biodiversity? Destroys biodiversity. Yes. We need, for example, every 3 fish of this kind, we need 6 fish of this kind. You are destroying the ratio. 3 to 6 becomes 1 to 8. That's very bad. Good. Something new. Bycatch happens by a process called trawling. Trawling is when a big boat takes a big net, and as the boat goes, the net goes behind it on the sea floor. You can see some examples over here. I'm not going to say too much. We have an expert on this that's going to tell you more later. But the basic idea is, imagine a net going on the sea floor, on the seabed, collecting everything possible. What's going to happen? Bycatch. Of course, you're going to catch things that you don't want to. Trawling, if done excessively, too much trawling is not good. So the Asturian government and some other governments, they put a heavy anchor. Do you know what an anchor is?
No.
The Spanish word for anchor?
Ancla.
Yes. Very good. They put anchors in some spots to interrupt the nets. Imagine if there's a big anchor over here. The net is coming, the net is coming, the net is coming. The net rips. These nets are very expensive. And they're not easy to replace. This is to prevent people from overfishing and from bycatch using the trawling method. Okay? That's one potential solution to prevent people from practicing bad ways of fishing. Because not everybody follows the rules, so some governments have to put big preventative measures on the floor. Any questions? 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 Yes?
What is this?
That's going to be for our expert. I think I have finished my job.
These are the anchors. These are the anchors. This is the preventive method to avoid the trawling. These are all of these.
Examples of what I was talking
Yeah.
about. Okay. I'm going to step down from the throne. I think my job is finished. And I will pass the microphone to our next expert.